Hello Mercedes-Benz fanatics, let me present you today new member of our family, and it is 2002 Mercedes-Benz SLK 230. When I saw this Benz, I fell in love with it immediately and I knew I have to have it. Extremely beautiful front view. It's a small car, but it has the looks of the big Mercedes-Benz, that's for sure. It has extensive amount of extra options and features which I will try to show you on the original window sticker. Another clear reason for purchase was that it comes with the complete history of one previous owner from Napa area. When the roof is up, the trunk space is actually pretty big, as you can see. Here is quick look underneath the hood with that beautiful powerful 4-cylinder with a supercharger hidden on the left hand side. It's equipped with the beautiful rims. The size of the tires if in front is 205 and size of the tires in the rear is 225. Beautiful detail of outside mirrors. The driver mirror and the rear view mirror, both of them have a dimming option. Let's go and check out the interior of the car. You are being welcomed immediately with this beautiful piece here. You can see beautiful driver's door. Interior is black, and you can see first time in this video that the paint is peeling off some plastic parts. This is not just this car, but it was the problem with all those SLKs. It comes with very nice pedals. This is the light switch, including low beams. This is parking right and left in the case you park on the street in the dark. And if you pull the plug out, first is fog lights, second is rear fog lights. Detail of the instrument cluster. The steering wheel is pretty small, it fits nicely in the hands. This is lever for telescopic steering wheel, so if you pull it, you can push the steering wheel inside and then lock it. Another look through the black interior. You see that peeling of the paint. Seats are fully electric controlled. This is the detail of the two cup holders. Of course, it's equipped with the dual air conditioner. The vehicle is equipped with the Bose stereo system, which has 6 speakers, including 2 subwoofers behind the seats. The deck has a tape inside and 6 CD changer in the trunk. The other controls are for heated seats. Either you go slow or rapid function. You can switch off ESP, hazard lights. You can lock the car by pushing that button. The next button is for disarming your alarm system when the car is being towed. It has two ashtrays. This one is broken. It doesn't stay locked, just keeps popping out. So that will be one of the first fixes. Both sides power windows with the extra feature rapid down. If you hold the button, it will go all the way down by itself, but not up. It's equipped with the electronic 5-speed automatic transmission, S for standard mode, W for winter or wet. If you are in the drive, you can still choose the gears by yourself, just pushing on the stick shift right or left side. It's this way. Both rear view mirrors are electric, and as I mentioned before, the driver one has the self-dimming function. This button is for operating the roof, and this I will show you in another video how it works. Another storage area right here, and the main storage area in the central console, it's right here. It's pretty big. Detail of the open glove box, it's pretty big space too. This is detail of the door pockets, storage areas. They are cool. Self-dimming rear view mirror. Buttons for the garage opener and for operating the interior lights. The vehicle came completely documented, and this is the original window sticker. So I will try to zoom on it and you can see the details. So I hope you enjoy this presentation. I will be definitely working in this vehicle, so stay tuned for more videos. Also, I will do the special video on operating that roof. Thank you for your time, thank you for watching, and have a nice day.